Hi everybody, welcome to Vickyville. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's like kind of cold, but kind of sunny, and I'm ready for the sun. I thrive in summer. I love the heat. And yeah, if I'm talking kind of weird, I have like a very painful fever blister in my mouth, and so I'm like, ah! But I wanted to share with you some things that I have been collecting. You know, your girl loves to collect things, and I have been finding some gems of stuff. And so I'm going to start off first with you guys. eBay. I won one bid. I have never won another. I've been trying to get the orange from the sphere, but I did win the socks. And let me open them up. They have a white pair as well. But I really wanted, you know, red is my favorite color. So look at that. Is that not the coolest? Now, I probably will wear these because I love some other things that I absolutely love are like fun socks. And so I'll definitely wear these with one of my t-shirts. I'm really struggling because I don't want to wear my t-shirts, but then I'm like, come on, you gotta wear what you know, at least some of them. I did wear the one at my niece's graduation party, and that was fun, so I'll probably wear that one. Okay, then Starbucks. Sorry, you see, I'm like, it hurts, but Starbucks had a collab with Miffy, and you know I love my Starbucks cups, and so how cute is even the packaging? And look at how cute the mug. Oh my god. Oh no. Did it break? No. Oh, it's just, oh, good. Okay, so it's kind of like rubber. Oh my gosh, I saw my life flash before me. But look at how cute the little mug is. Is that not adorable? Okay, so here's the packaging. And it says Miffy and Starbucks. And then there's like the little lid. I love it. I cannot. And it's so like, it's luxe. You could tell it's like a well-made mug, you know? It's just like really girthy, and that is adorable. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna put this somewhere. Y'all, I'm running out of room for all my collections, as you could see. All my little Labubu's and my Pop Mart. They're so much fun. But so I'm going to add this to my bear cup up there. I actually might use this with here in my craft room. I have a Keurig, and right now I have a Winnie the Pooh mug, so he's cute. Okay, then I did get this little plushie. Is he not so cute? And he's wearing, just like Hello Kitty had a collab at Christmas, this is the Miffy, and she's wearing a little Starbucks apron. So I don't know if I'll leave this in the packaging or take it out. I took out my Hello Kitty, so I might take her out. But it's so cute. Ah, I die. Okay. Then I did get the water cup as well. And it's so cute. So I guess Miffy is from, where did they say? I want to say Miffy is from like Norwegian? What? I'm sorry. Is that, yeah, Norwegian area? I'm not sure. Scandinavian? One of those. Is that the Baltics? Don't quote me on geography. I'm sorry, and I'm in pain, so. But it is just too cute, and I had no idea that Miffy was from there, so I think that's so cute. And look at the little topper with the apron on as well. It's so cute. So definitely will probably just be putting this on my shelf because I love to collect cups. I don't know. I mean, you'll be proud of me because I have stopped getting like every single drop because I don't have any more room. But when it's something that I really, 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 really want, it's hard for me to say no. Okay, so then what else? Oh, okay. Then, so my daughter Juliet just turned 27, and they, on her birthday, May 20th, all she wanted was to go to dinner, and she wanted like everybody to buy her the Kacey Musgraves drop that Kacey did with Lee jeans, and it was going to be at Walmart. And so I was like, done, easy. And we, you know, that's what we did, and we had a lot of fun. It's a little big on the top, but it's so comfortable. It's like a romper, you guys. I'll show you if you want to see it on Instagram. It's like, it's cute. It's like double layered. But so I just feel like I don't want to be this, like, it's very low. I should have worn a tank top. I didn't realize in person it's not like that, but on camera I'm like, ah. So I apologize. I'll try to hold stuff up right there. So I digress all the time. No, yeah. So they had all of these bag charms, and so they had like jeans and, you know, t-shirts and really cute shorts for summer and bathing suits. And I did get a bathing suit. I love anything gingham. So it was red and white gingham, but I want to go back because they also have like a camouflage suit, and I think that would be really fun too. But I just love these big old bag charms, and so they were all sold out at Walmart by the time we arrived. See, it's the Kacey collab, and how cute is that to hang on your bag? So we got that. I got that one. I got this one because Juliet got them too. But you know, your girl had to, I was like, I can't be left out. I need mine too. I got him. Well, no, I did get him that day. I'm sorry. I didn't want to lie. I was going to say, I got him a few days later, but I didn't. I got him that day. Then look at how cute this one. It says yeehaw. Like, how cute. My friend was here and she goes, it says yeeham. I'm all, no, it says yeehaw. But how cute, hanging from your bag. I can't. I just think they're adorable. And then this one is my favorite. Let me open this one up. This one is a prized ribbon. It says Middle of Nowhere Club, proud member since forever. And if you know Kacey, that is the title of her new album. So I believe, or one of her albums. So is that not the cutest? So yes, I had to get this. And if you go on my Instagram, Juliet I did film her doing like a little haul on my Instagram. So if you want to see that, it was so cute. You could follow me or just look at it at VICKYVILLE, like the little underscore, which is that little line, and then 7. And she did a whole haul of what she got for her birthday. And it's so cute, guys. It's so cute. But I got these to hang on my bag. So what? Okay. I was like, I thought it said 28 minutes. I'm like, what? I didn't feel like I've been talking that long. Okay. Then this, I have a seriously bad addiction to Stoney Clover. I didn't think I ever would because I'm like, I can't. It's just, no, it's too expensive and I like too many other things, but I got the bug. And the things are so cute. And if I always wait till they're like on sale. So this was a Memorial Day sale. And I love anything denim. There's a lot of other bags that I see that I totally want. But I will wait to see if they go on sale. And if not, I may just have to buckle down. Because there are some that I'm like, that's me. I need it. I need it. I need it. And I change my purse every day to match my outfit. So I did get this purse strap, and I think it's just so cute because the Stoney bags, when they come like the pouchette, they have like a very thin strap, and I don't mind it, but I think this will make it look more, you know, I don't know, just it'll be cute to hang across your, you know, or like whatever. So I got that, and I thought that was so cute, and that was on sale Memorial Day. I don't remember the price, but and I did get this because I love 4th of July. It's like it's like Christmas. These are my favorite. Well, I love them all, but I love summer, of course, so 4th of July. Plus, America, we're turning 250 years old. And it's in 26. I was born in 1976. I'm a bicentennial baby, so I've always loved, like, the red, white, and blue of it all. You should see my cart right now for Amazon. I'm like, oh my gosh, because I want to decorate so much. But, so when I saw this, even though it's the parquet? Is that parquet? Collab. And it's like, I just thought it was so cute. And look at, like, it has the flag. It has the, what is this? What is this? You know what you're at home going, girl, and I'm like, I'm sorry. Then it has like the anchor. It has a little lobster. And then how cute are these, like, these beads? I love them. And so I thought that was so cute. But then look at this. I love it. I love it. It's the perfect size, not too big, not too small. Denim, which is amazing. I love denim. It's lined in like pink, so that is awesome. So it would definitely go so well with this because there's pink in it as well, if you could see. And I just think it's so pretty, and I think I could hang all my Kacey Musgrave stuff on there as well. So I'm so excited. And then to me, this looks like a Levi's you know, brand back there. So I'm like, I've died and gone to heaven. So yes, I definitely did get this for myself, and I'm so excited to like add all my bag charms. I've just been waiting because I wanted to make a video with it, but I've been like just kind of not feeling that great. So I'm like, okay, today I'm gonna do it, and I just wanted to share that with you. I have some other things that I want to share with you too that are like crafty, but maybe I'll do that on a separate video just because I don't want it to be too long and you guys to be like bored. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. I just love sharing some new things that I'm obsessed with, and maybe you might be interested as well. And just thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll come back. I'll probably be wearing the same thing, so I apologize, but it's going to be more crafty wise, okay? So I love you. Have a wonderful day. Keep it crafty. Your girl VICKYVILLE loves you.